Okay, so now we're gonna put 5 mirrors up on this wall. The mirrors are back here in this corner. So we got 5 4-foot mirrors here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line them all up to make a seamless look. And then we're gonna be putting in these brackets on the bottom. So to get it to where it's perfectly level, I have a Bosch laser. And so that way we know everything is perfect. Okay, so this kit came with channels. So with these little channels, we're gonna put the first one in the center of the wall. So that way we have a foot on this end and a foot on this end. So I'm gonna take my channel, after I've already measured my layout, okay? So this is the center. So I'm gonna take the first channel and we're gonna put it right here, okay? And then we're gonna level it. And then we're gonna branch out to the right and to the left. And then these mirrors, they just tuck right in place. And then we put a little bit of adhesive. This adhesive also came with the mirror. Now, if you're curious on how this looks, this is from Haynes and Alice. These are gym mirrors. So if you guys are looking at putting a gym mirror in your garage or in your basement, this is a pretty cool setup. I'm not sure exactly how much these cost the owner, but they have a really nice kit. They even got some gloves that come with it so you don't cut your hands. Okay, so anyhow, it's gonna look real nice. Should be a pretty simple setup and install. Okay, so now we're gonna put our sealant. The directions say to put 4 globs, so we'll just do this. Okay, so these little fittings, they sit right on top of the mirror. Okay, and then to cover it, you take this cover plate and you just put it right on top. Okay, just like that. This is it, job complete. Came out wonderful. So again, please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.